Go on, bud. Have it. Get it. Bud. Have it, it's yours. Get it. Get it, boy. Bud. Funny. What's that? Bud, what's that? Have it. Have it then. Bud. Bud? What are you doing? Stop being silly. Get it, Bud. Bud! What's that? What are you doing? Get it. Have it, it's yours. Have it, bud. Rip it. Get that. Get the stick. Good boy. Get that stick. Get that stick. Go on, bud. Go on, boy. Go on, boy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Go on, boy. I haven't got a clue why you're making that silly noise though, but you do it. Have it. Good boy, you're chunking. That's good for you, that is. Go on, boy. Oh, you've cheered me up, you have. You're a fucking fruitcake, you are, boy. Go on, bud. Have it. Get that bit, bud. 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 Have that bit. Go on. Go see. This is my nutty dog, Bud. This is what he does to sticks. He fucking loves them. Well, say stick, it's a fucking tree trunk. Go on, boy. Go on, Bud, have it. That's your stick. You're a fucking fruitcake, boy. Good boy. Go on, have your stick. Get it. What are you doing, boy? Right, that's it, boy. Leave it. Bud. Bud, boy. Alright, here we go, he's on one. Leave it then. Anyway, this is Bud being a nutcase.